Zabandimira chaiboibo, chaiboibo, chaiboibo. Sikawandi zabandimira chaiboibo, boibo, 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 boibo.
Andiende.
Baba emwana hope. Baba emwana andiende. Baba emwana hope. Baba emwana andiende. Magore mangani tirites, mana mangani tirites. Kazi wandi utakumusha. Musawandi dosi wande uno. Nikita misoti zakaerera. Ndakarira vana vangu, ndopira vana vangu. Andiende, andiende ho, andiende. Zamara wandi utabandire chaiboibo, chaiboibo, chaiboibo. Andiende. Wandi utabandimira chaiboibo, boibo, boibo. Andiende, andiende. Kana hari amaini ngawa uyatogara tesi. Inga wakuru wakatauri kuwanda uya sewe wakapotera pamusugu.
We are trying to catch up in our sinks. The good thing is our sinks are really are made here. This is made here by someone I've just spoken to not long ago. It's made here in this village. How beautiful is that? That we manufacture and we value add our things that we make here. This is good for even for export, but we are making it in rural Zimbabwe. So rural Zimbabwe is catching up. Any stories about rural setups and anything like that is impoverished, I think it's a lie. So look, our showers are up to scratch. There's still a few things we are trying to sort out, but we are there. Look at that. The sink, the toilet seat, everything there. So it's all functional. So so what we maximize the space. So you see from here, even you hang your jacket here. You know how safe it is. There's no anything that so we maximize the space, and we're just using natural wood to create our hanging for hanging cots. So it's all naturally done and locally done. Everything is locally found here in Hwange and in Zimbabwe. And our finishing on our curtains, you can see there, they reflect some of our cultural and traditions. And we are proud of that, and there's good aeration as well. It's quite good on that kind of thing. So yeah, so let me close this and you see how it closes. This is all designed and made here, and the power, the electricity is also powers only this room. Yeah, so it's solar powered, right? So this is a nutshell. This is like the basics. This is of the village. There's a lot. I'll show you. There's a campsite there. Put the camera down there.